Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. Just got back from a walk.
Nice. I've been meaning to get outside more. Where did you walk to?
Just around the neighborhood. It's really beautiful this time of year.
Yeah, I love the fall colors. Do you have any fun plans for the weekend?
Actually, I'm thinking of trying out a new restaurant downtown. Have you heard anything about it?
Yeah, I've heard great things. I've been meaning to try it out too.
We should go together. It's always more fun with a friend.
Sounds like a plan. What time were you thinking?
How about Saturday at 7?
Perfect. I'll meet you there.
Sounds good. So, what's new with you? Any exciting plans or projects?
Actually, I just started taking photography classes.
That's awesome. I've always loved photography. What inspired you to take classes?
I've just always been interested in it, and I figured why not give it a shot.
That's really cool. I'd love to see some of your photos sometime.
Definitely, I'll have to show you my portfolio.
Sounds great. Well, I should probably get going.
Same to you. I'll talk to you soon.
Hey, wait, I just thought of something. Have you seen any good movies lately?
Actually, I just saw The Shawshank Redemption for the first time.
Oh, that's a classic. What did you think of it?
I loved it. It's definitely one of my new favorite movies.
Yeah, it's a really powerful story. I've seen it like 5 times.
Wow, that's dedication. What is it about the movie that you love so much?
I think it's just the message of hope and redemption. It's really inspiring.
Absolutely. I can see why it's your favorite movie.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I'm a big sports fan, so I love playing basketball and watching football.
Nice. I'm more of a bookworm myself.
Yeah, I can respect that. I've been trying to read more lately.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm a big fan of sci-fi and fantasy.
Cool. I've been getting into that genre lately too.
Yeah, there are some really great authors out there. Have you read any of the Game of Thrones books?
Yeah, I've read the first 3. I love the show too.
Nice. I've only read the first book, but I loved it.
Yeah, the books are really well written. You should definitely keep reading.
I will. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. So, what's your favorite type of music?
I'm a big fan of rock and indie music.
Nice. I love indie music too. Have you heard of the 1975?
Yeah, I love them. They're one of my favorite bands.
Awesome. I've seen them live in concert twice.
That's so cool. I've always wanted to see them live.
You should definitely try to see them if you get the chance. They're amazing live.
I'll have to look into that. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. So, what do you like to do on a typical Saturday night?
I'm a bit of a homebody, so I usually just stay in and watch movies or play video games.
That sounds like a relaxing night to me. I'm a bit of a homebody too.
Yeah, there's nothing wrong with staying in and enjoying some quiet time.
Exactly. Sometimes it's nice to just take a break from the world and recharge.
Absolutely. So, what's your favorite type of food?
I love Italian food. Pasta is my weakness.
Nice. I'm a big fan of Italian food too. There's this one restaurant downtown that has the best pasta dishes.
Oh, yeah. I'll have to check it out. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Bella Vita. You should definitely try it out sometime.
I'll add it to my list. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. It was great talking to you. We should do it again soon.
Definitely, I'd like that. Have a great day.